Hello! We're creating a chord melody for The Cat Came Back. And it looks like this. It's over the verses. We're just using verse 1 as a template. The words are, Old Mr. Johnson had troubles of his own. And I'm fudging that. I'm doing not playing quite as many notes, just giving a hint of that melody. You get to decide what you want to do. The point is, with this song, the melody is baked into the chord. So all we have to do is make the chord with our left hand. It's our right hand that we're going to need to be really precise. So we've got an A note, and we're making A minor chord. Then we're going to make a G chord. And the note we need is a G note. Now we have moved the melody line from the A string to the E string. So we can only play the G, C, and E strings. We can't play the A string. We'll lose the sense of the melody if we do that. And that's where we're going to stay for a few more seconds. We make an F chord. Play that F note, which is right here, baked into the chord. Don't have to do anything with the left hand. Just need to emphasize that E string with our right hand. Then we make an E7. And the melody is an E. It's our open string. Let's try it really slowly. 2, 3, 4. It's very basic. I'm fudging. You could do this. I'm messing with that note, with the melody note. Your choice. Start with doing something a little easier like this, more accessible. Again. Again. Now let me tell you, the whole solo is just about that. That's all. There's one part where the melody goes up a little bit. So it says, I have to do a running start here. He had a yellow cat that, let's see, oh, Mr. Johnson had troubles of his own. He had a yellow cat that wouldn't leave his home. Now we do, he tried and tried to give the cat away, away, away. Let's see, he tried and tried to give the cat away. There it is. He tried and tried to give the cat away. So that line, he tried and tried to give the cat away, the melody's a little different. You can do it, or you could keep doing the other motif. Either way is going to work. But let me tell you what's going on with that line. He tried and tried to give the cat away. We're going, he tried and tried. We're going to a B note, but it's baked into the G chord. 2. Now we're going to make an F, but this time, Nancy, we're using our baby finger. We have to catch the C note to an E7, catching that B note. Let me tell you what's happening again. He tried, the melody is all on the A string. He tried and make your G, tried, all baked in. It's just this one place where we have to add a note. Make your F chord, then add your baby finger to the 3rd fret. It's a C note. Give the cat a, make your E7. The melody is baked into the chord. That B note. Let's try that. 2, 3, 4. He tried and tried to give the cat away. Again, he tried and tried to give the cat away. He tried and tried to give the cat away. So let's put it into context. Let's do the whole solo over verse 1. 2, 3, 4. Old Mr. Johnson had troubles of his own. He had a yellow cat that wouldn't leave his home. He tried and tried to give the cat away. He gave it to a man going far, far away. Let's try it with a drum. Here we go. And you guys, fudge it, come up with your own version. And if you don't want to do a chord melody, improvise. Let me just show you. Turn on the drum. What am I doing? I am just finger picking the chord. That's all. You can finger pick the chord and play like 2 notes. 1 note. And I'm just making the chord. Now how about 2 notes? Bottom 3 notes. All four strings. So you see here, there's some options for you. We can try and dig in and actually do a chord melody, or you can improvise by just doing the chords with your left hand and going all wild and crazy with your right hand, finger picking 1 note, 2 notes, 3 notes, 4 notes in different rhythmic motifs, and see what you can come up with.
Hey, Kelly, I